एक्स्ट्रा हेपेटिक बिलियरी सिस्टम, ये एक सिस्टम है जो बाइल लीवर से कलेक्ट करता है और गॉल ब्लैडर में स्टोर करता है, उसके बाद वो डुओडेनम में ट्रांसमिट या सीक्रेट करता है। दिस सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एक्स्ट्रा हेपेटिक बिलियरी सिस्टम। दिस मीन्स बिसाइड्स द हेपेटिक सिस्टम, मतलब लीवर के बाहर का सिस्टम। Biliary apparatus collect bile from the bile liver and store in gallbladder and transmit to second part of duodenum. Then it consists of right and left hepatic duct, common hepatic duct, then cystic duct of gallbladder join to form common hepatic bile duct to form the bile duct. This consists of this is right hepatic duct, this is left hepatic duct to form common hepatic duct, and this is cystic duct of gallbladder to form the bile duct or common hepatic bile duct. To form it, this is also called bile duct mainly. Two hepatic duct, right and left, combine to form the common hepatic duct and emerge at the porta hepatis. This right and left hepatic duct form the common hepatic duct as a emerges as porta hepatis. The common hepatic duct emerges near the right end of hepatis. It is joined by the cystic duct to form bile duct. This common hepatic duct join the cystic duct to form this is bile duct. This is bile duct. Then gallbladder. Gallbladder is 10 to 7 to 10 centimeter long and 3 meter in broad, and the capacity of gallbladder is about 30 to 50 ml. Divided into fundus, body and neck, and it is situated in the fossa for gallbladder. This is gallbladder. The length of the gallbladder is around 7 to 10 mm. Then broad is about 3 centimeter, and capacity of the gallbladder is about 30 to 50 ml. And the location of the gallbladder is the fossa for gallbladder in the liver. Then cystic duct is about 3 to 4 centimeter long. It begins at the neck of the gallbladder and end by joining the common hepatic duct to form the bile duct. This is cystic duct and this is gallbladder. This is the fundus of the gallbladder, this is body of the gallbladder, and this is neck of the gallbladder. And cystic duct begins in the neck of the gallbladder and ends by ending the common hepatic duct to form the bile duct. Bile duct is 8 cm long and 6 mm in diameter. It joined with hepatopancreatic duct to form ampulla of Vater, which is open into the major duodenal papilla. Then this is the bile duct, which is 8 cm long and 6 mm in diameter, which join the pancreatic duct to form the ampulla of Vater, and it ends by ending the second part of the duodenum. Then arterial supply of the extrahepatic biliary system. The gallbladder, cystic duct, hepatic duct, and the upper part of the bile duct is supplied by the cystic artery. This is gallbladder, hepatic duct, cystic duct. Then upper part of the bile duct is supplied by the cystic artery, and the lower part of the bile duct is by the pancreatoduodenal artery. This is the lower part. This is lower part of the duodenal bile duct, which is supplied by pancreatoduodenal artery, and the middle part of the bile duct is supplied by right hepatic artery. This is the middle part, which is supplied by the right hepatic artery. Then venous drainages. The upper surface drains the entire liver through the fossa of gallbladder and join the tributaries of hepatic vein. And rest of the gallbladder cystic vein open into the right of the portal veins. The lower end of the bile duct is portal vein. Venous drainage is done by portal vein. Then lymphatic drainage. Gallbladder, cystic duct, hepatic duct, upper part of the bile duct's venous drainage is by cystic node, is to the cystic node, and lower part of the bile duct lower hepatic and upper pancreatosplenic nodes. And nerve supply. Upper part cystic plexus of nerve and lower part superior plexus over the pancreatico-duodenal artery. Then afferent. First afferent is biliary obstruction, then gallbladder to liberate bile when food rich in fat enter in the duodenum. Then inflammation of gallbladder in cholestasis. Stone formation in gallbladder in cholelithiasis, which are responsible for biliary colic, and gallbladder in infected invariably in